So I'm on my Windows terminal, and now I want to clone my repository from GitHub. So what I need to do is open the repository page on GitHub, then click here and copy the HTTPS path. Now I can get back to that terminal and then type git clone and then paste the URL I just copied. But when I try to run this command, then I type in my username and my password, I get this error. Support for password authentication was removed. And what it means is that we cannot use our password to clone a repository. What we need to use instead of our password is an authentication token. So let's see how to generate such a token. Let's get back to GitHub. Then I click on my user icon at the top right corner and choose Settings. And then at the bottom of the page, we have Developer Settings. And if we expand the Personal Access Tokens category, we can choose Tokens Classic. By the way, there is a faster way to get to this page. So if I'm on the GitHub homepage, I can simply press Ctrl K and then type in tokens. And I'll get a link directly to the Personal Access Tokens page. And we got to the same place. Anyway, once we're here, we need to generate a new token. And I'll choose Generate New Token Classic. And we need to give a name to this token. I'll just call it My Token. We can choose if we want this token to expire or not. For this demonstration, I'll make it expire after 30 days. And for most workflows, you're only going to need this option, repo. So I leave everything else unchecked. And let's generate token. And our token was created. Now, it's important to copy it from this page, like so, and then store it somewhere safe. The reason is that we won't be able to see this token again. So if we lose this token, we'll have to generate a new one instead of this one. So I suggest using something like KeePass to save these tokens, but of course it's up to you. Anyway, now that I copied this token, let's get back to the Windows terminal and let's try cloning our repository again. So I'll type in my username and now I'll paste in the token itself. And when I hit enter, we can see that this time it worked and the repository was successfully cloned.